Welcome, and thank you for watching the Acorn Information DVD. Perhaps you've already seen one of our press or television adverts, or maybe you've seen our website or heard about us from a friend.
I only wish I'd bought one years ago.
After we heard of your initial interest, our dedicated team in West Yorkshire sent this information booklet and DVD to you so that you can learn more about our stairlift in the comfort of your own home.
Please enjoy our presentation. We hope that it will answer all of your questions about the Acorn Stairlift. If you'd like further information, or if you'd like one of our surveyors to visit your home to assess your stairs for a stairlift, please contact us using the information in the brochure or at the end of this DVD.
Life presents many minor chores and difficulties. But we always find a convenient way round them. And why should it be any different with mobility difficulties when you can use an Acorn Stairlift? In fact, if you know what to look for, buying your own stairlift need not be any more complicated than buying a new TV or household appliance. There are 4 main criteria to consider when choosing your stairlift: safety, comfort, installation, and aftercare. Safety and comfort are our first considerations at Acorn, and our stairlift has evolved over many years to become ideally suited to its users. Acorn pioneered DC battery power, as well as being smooth and whisper quiet. It also guarantees that the lift will operate even during a power cut or an emergency. Sensors in the footrest and carriage detect any obstructions, and the stairlift folds up neatly so that the staircase is free for normal use. Sometimes, for example, when 2 people use the lift, it may be necessary to call or send it, so we provide remote controls to make this easy and simple. All in all, the Acorn Stairlift is an extremely well thought out piece of engineering. For this reason, we take just as much care over its installation.
Morning, Mrs. Hartley. I'm from Acorn Stairlifts.
Oh, right, come on in.
Thank you.
We're on time.
If you decide that you might be interested in having a stairlift installed and you contact Acorn, a surveyor will first come to your home to measure your staircase. He will then leave you with a guaranteed quote, and you can make the decision in your own time. This survey carries no obligation at all. If you decide that you would like to have an Acorn Stairlift installed, simply contact us and we will send an installer to your home. The installation itself is a quick, no-nonsense procedure carried out by one of our fully trained engineers. You'll be surprised just how quick, clean, and simple the whole process is. Occasionally, a stairway presents a challenge, but our engineers are used to such installations and can always supply a solution. After installing the lift, he will test it thoroughly and clearly demonstrate its features to you. But Acorn's service does not stop with the installation of your stairlift.
Your stairlift comes with a 12-month full-service warranty that covers maintenance and ensures that, in the rare event of a fault, you'll be given priority attention, and even before your initial warranty has expired, it's possible to extend it for many years of trouble-free use. It's a service that has supplied thousands of satisfied customers around the world. People who really have given their lives a lift.
I'm just writing to say how pleased we are with our stairlift. It's made such a difference to our lives.
I wish we'd bought the stairlift sooner.
The stairlift has made a big difference to our lives. Upstairs would have been out of bounds without it. Thank you.
Excellent service. It's so easy to use. We should have got it sooner.
I am writing to tell you what a huge difference my stairlift has made to my way of living. Although I have 2 sons living with me, I no longer have to ask someone to do the simplest of errands for me.
I could not manage the stairs, but now I'm transported in safety. This is a great relief to me and my family. All Acorn Stairlifts are assembled to the highest specifications at our factory in West Yorkshire.
Established in 1992, The company is now the world's leading supplier of stairlifts, with thousands of happy customers literally all over the world. Our success and reputation is built on the satisfaction of these customers. In fact, we're so confident that you'll like the Acorn Stairlift that we offer you the chance to try it at home as part of our Try Before You Buy scheme. Simply call us and find out how you can experience our lift in your home. If you would like to become one of the thousands of Acorn Stairlift users, get in touch today and give your life a lift.